Hello friends and welcome to our review of the Glen 4015 Juicer Mixer Grinder. This juicer mixer grinder is a real 3-in-1 as it performs juicing of fruits and vegetables, liquidizing shakes and soups and grinds dry and wet with efficiency. It comes with one 1.5-liter transparent liquidizer jar for making shakes, smoothies and lassi etc. One stainless steel grinder jar for grinding whole spices or wet pastes up to 300 ml. It also has a third stainless steel chutney jar for making tongue-licking chutneys. The juicer has an online pulp remover so that you can have continuous juicing and there is no need to dismantle the juicer to empty the pulp. This juicer mixer grinder is equipped with a 500-watt heavy-duty powerful motor to perform the toughest of jobs. The motor carries a warranty of 5 years. The elegant concave design on the exterior makes it look elegant and gives you room to place a glass for collecting the juice. The juicer has a stainless steel cutting blade and filter for better efficiency of juicing and ease of cleaning. It has 3 speed settings and 1 inching speed. You can select the speed as per your requirement. The juicer mixer grinder is fixed with an overload protector, so in case the motor is overloaded, the overload protector will disconnect the power supply, thus saving the motor from burning. The juicer mixer grinder is approved by ISI. To sum up, this is a great appliance for your kitchen as it takes care of all your pre-cooking chores with ease. The Glen 4015 juicer mixer grinder comes with 2 years brand warranty. For further details, please refer to the product page.